Cleaning of artworks is particularly challenging since it requires to selectively remove a very thin layer of few microns on the surface of the object, preserving the inner layer, such as an aged varnish on paintings. Agar, which is a polysaccharide obtained from algae, has been proposed for the production of a polar gelling system capable of removing proteinaceous coating, but without the use of water. Deep eutectic solvents can be used instead of water to prevent damages on the very sensitive surfaces. Deep eutectic solvents are considered green solvents thanks to their high level of biodegradability, their low cost, the high availability of raw materials, and the possibility to be easily synthesized with green procedures. The agar gel, obtained with chlorine chloride and urea, was tested for the removal of proteinaceous coating on degraded glue from paintings and cinematographic films, respectively. PHB, obtained from the metabolism of bacteria, have been coupled with green solvents such as gamma-valerolactone, ethyl lactate, or dimethyl carbonate to form a gelling material which is able to remove terpenic or acrylic resin from different types of substrate, such as paintings, mural paintings, paintings on paper and metal objects. A more apolar formulation with the use of biodiesel as cleaning agent is suitable for the removal of highly hydrophobic coating, such as waxes. The different formulation of gels can be applied directly on the works of art, let to ask for a few minutes, and after their removal, the swelled coating can be removed with cotton swabs. All the materials are highly biodegradable so that their disposal is not critical. The application of the combined material is not only easier, since from the mechanical point of view it is more flexible than the normal gel, but it was noted that the performance of the system is improved and that the micro roughness of the combined materials allows a more controlled release of the solvents and a more efficient peel-off of the external coating. The performance of the cleaning methods is evaluated by the scientists with advanced analytical technique. First, the removal efficacy is evaluated using optical and stereo microscopes. Moreover, possible side effects of the treatments are also considered, such as morphological modification of the treated surface or the presence of residues on the cleaning agent, which may cause long-term effect.